Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has expressed his concern over the fact that Meghalaya is not producing many civil service officers from the state. Speaking to media persons here today, the minister termed this as a wake-up call for the government, institutions and academicians and for the young people of the state, fearing that the state would have a dark future if the state is unable to produce civil service officers. He urged the youths and aspirants to have self-motivation. He also opined that one of the prime factors for Meghalaya not producing enough civil officers is the fact that the youths from the state cannot connect well with the national and international standards, both physically and mentally.
We have gave where we have left behind. So I think this is a wake-up call for the governance, for the institutions, for the academicians, for the young people of Meghalaya. We still believe the Meghalaya students, we are second to nobody. But however, what is happening, the trend is very grim for us. If Meghalaya fail to produce civil service candidates in near future, it will be a dark future for the state. Therefore, I think I request the young, brilliant people of our state, the children's young people, I think we should have a self-motivation. Maybe the curriculum, the syllabus, the institution, the quality of our institution, the quality of our teachings might be the issue.
The Meghalaya Energy Corporation